everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the BASON Lighting RGB strips. I'll leave a link in the description. These ones have 4,096 different colors with the DIY. It just says the length, which is 10 meters. This is a 32-foot strip, max 36 watts, and the input. And these are cuttable. Here's the AC adapter. Just some more information. It outputs 24 volts, 1.5 amps, and has a 1.2 amp max for input. Have some alcohol prep pads to wipe down your area clean before installing them. And you also have probably 10 clips, extenders, and other things in here as well. Very unique. You also have the RGB strips, the remote, a user manual, and a contact card. Here is a little closer look of the remote. This is a 24 key remote. You have a brightness up and down, a sleep button, which puts it to the perfect color to where it'll help you fall asleep. You have an on and off button, which is just one button. You have a mode button, which should cycle the colors. And then you have some more colors on the bottom. Right here is the red, green, and blue, which means DIY. You can go more red, less green, more blue, however you choose. It's all up to you. The strips, these are two 5-meter strips, meaning they're 16.4 feet each. And these are easy to connect. There's no arrow to arrow. And to be able to just plug it in and you're good to go. There's no possible way to break them when plugging them in, so there's no issues there. Just plug it in like that, plug it into an AC outlet, and you're good to go. And just like that. So right here we have white, we have orange, yellow, like a lime green, like a darker green, teal, blue, some more colors here. Like I said, there's 4,000 different colors you can do. You just have to be experimental. And the sleep button, it makes it to this nice orange, which is really cool. And then the mode, obviously it cycles between all of them. So that's really cool. Very inexpensive as well. So let's go ahead and unreel these, and we're going to show you up close. So it's 16.4 feet, and the 3M adhesive on the back is very strong. They're very lightweight, so it'll be even easier to hang up. And I like that they made these a lot easier to roll out. You can just do it with one hand and then pull them out, and there's a lot in here. So getting up to the end of the strip, when you plug it in, make sure these match. So it B, R, just all of the letters and everything matches up, and then you'll be good to go. There we go. But look at this. This is a nice orange. Beautiful orange. And then the white, that gets pretty bright. It's more of like a bluish white. It's not a perfect white because it is RGB. So yeah, and they don't get as hot because they're made of LEDs, and they're just easy to hook up. You're easy to just do whatever. You have so much freedom, and the cord for the power adapter is really long, so you'll be able to perfectly mount it on your walls. So yeah, amazing. You can change this to basically every color, or almost every color, 4,000 different colors. So you have several different modes. You have this one. You have this one. So this one has like a type of a cycle. You have this, which cycles slowly. And you have a little flash. You have a little bit of faster cycle, like a jump. And then same thing. So you don't have to find an orange. Really cool lights. Other than that, very nice. Anyways, link is in the description if you guys want to purchase them. See you guys next one. Thank you for watching.